So 100% cotton. In my mind, 100% gorgeous. This printed wisteria 3/4 length sleeve, split neck top. $58 is your QVC price. Available on 3 easy pays of $19.33. This is a 629635. We have 3 color choices for you, and the print is fairly the same on each of the choices. We actually have 4 choices. But the French blue is last call on that. But first we have the black. We have that beautiful azalea, which is new this season. We have the medium purple. And then on QVC.com, we will show you that French blue. But as I said, that is last call, down to our final quantities in that. So if you've been waiting, don't wait anymore. Only a few dozen left there. So let me give you some stats. I love to get those out at the top of the item so that we can then concentrate on all of the fun and the whimsy, right? Missy length on this is 26.5 inches to 28.5 inches. Plus length is 29 inches to 32.5 inches. This is 100% cotton, machine wash, dry flat, sizes extra, extra small through 3X. Let me know how you want me to do this. We're having a little technical difficulty here. So hang tight, just dream. Okay, come up with your thoughts as to where you would see this beautiful wisteria. I'll be back in a momentito. Quicker than we thought. All right, so getting back into this beautiful wisteria top. So as you can see, this is all printed. Even the color of the top is printed on. 3/4 length sleeves. No bling on this. We wanted the wisteria to stand all on its own. Beautiful shell buttons here in that split V. You can see that the wisteria is cascading all the way around the back, the shoulders, down the sleeves, and down the front. I don't know about you, but this just gives me warm sunshine on my face. Maybe, I know you've heard me tell the story before, but I'm going to tell it again. A beautiful glass of white wine in my hand, sitting outside under a pergola, drizzled and draped with wisteria with my besties and the ones that I love. And that is what I think of when I see this. I love this flower. It's sensational. It only comes out at a certain time of the year, right? And so my sister lives next door to somebody. They have a pergola in their backyard. And in the summertime, in the height of summer, it is just coated with beautiful wisteria. And I think that when you see something like this, you think to yourself, oh, I can get through 18-degree weather. I can get through a blizzard warning in New Orleans. I know, crazy town, right? I've been watching. I feel so bad for you guys because I know down in the South, you guys don't even have snow plows and salt trucks, right? We're used to that in the North, but down South. So please be safe if you're at home, staying warm, and watching, you know, here today with me with the Quacker Happy Hour. But this is just something that's fun. And what I love about this is that you can wear this as soon as you get this home. You don't have to wait for an occasion or a time frame, because this is worth this is just worth wearing 12 months out of the year. Now, I know you might be saying, okay, Angel, it's 18 degrees outside. There's 3/4 length sleeves. Yes, there are 3/4 length sleeves on this, but that's where we can layer. If you have a great cardigan sweater, I don't know, maybe a fun little denim jacket over this you can wear. I think this would be a really fun, you know what? I think this would be a really fun outfit. Oh, we're going to see this on Ellen, beautiful Ellen. I think she's 5'10", and I believe she wears a small or a medium. So you can see this is hitting her. Oh, there we go. There it is. I was right, 5'10" and the medium. Man, I'm good. All right. I'm Yep, I'm patting myself on the back there. No, I love our models, and I'm so happy when I know their stats so I can share that with you. But maybe, just maybe, you're looking for something bright and fun. Okay, but wait, there's more. Oh, I'm doing it. I'm adding that gaucho. How cute is this outfit with a little boot right now? And then sandals once the weather breaks, and maybe a little t-shirt under, short sleeve t-shirt under this jacket. But I love that, denim dressing from head to toe, that fun little detail. Oh, I will get into that in a moment. Live TV, please excuse me. You should see me at home when I'm steaming my clothes to come in here or to wear out in real life. I always pull the hanger off of the steamer, and my dog is at my feet. My cat's always hanging out in my office where I have the steamer, and I drop it and they scatter. Yeah, always fun. But the colors on this are absolutely stunning. This pink, if you want that little pop of color up against your face, this is really a gorgeous one. And you can see again, it's printed. We have different shades of purple, yellow, green, maybe a hint of blue in there. I really have to ask my husband if we can try to plant some wisteria. Last year I talked him into, I bought a plant from here. Let me see if I can remember, because it's starting to be plant season. I saw Roberta's was on earlier, Cottage Farms was on earlier, our Carol and Gracie has been back. So it is that time to start thinking about what to plant in the yard for once the weather breaks. But wisteria could be on your list. I know it's on mine. But right now you can get this home and start wearing it right away. No fertilizer required, right? A629635, we have your azalea. Again, the colors of the wisteria are the same. We also have your medium purple. Okay, look how the difference, it just takes on a different, it looks brighter on the pink because that's a brighter color versus the more muted medium purple. Then we have your black. And then lastly, which is last call, that gorgeous French blue, 3 dozen left in that one, 100% cotton. You can machine wash this and dry this flat, sizes extra, extra small through 3X.